In the lush jungle, where canopy trees cast dappled shadows, there lived Peppy the Parrot, who could mimic any sound with gleeful accuracy. One sunny afternoon, Peppy set out to discover the magic hidden in the jungle's corners. As Peppy flew through vibrant foliage, he met Dazzle the dragonfly, who was hosting a musical jamboree of nature's sounds. Peppy offered his melodious voice to add rhythm to the buzzing bees and rustling leaves, creating a symphonic masterpiece. Excited by this harmonious blend, animals gathered to enjoy and celebrate the unique symphony. Peppy realized that just like diverse sounds make music enchanting, our differences weave the fabric of rich friendships, turning every encounter in life's jungle into a melody worth cherishing.